Hello, my name's Ken Novenstern. I'm a partner in the law firm of Fredman, Baken, and Novenstern LLP in Mount Kisco and White Plains, New York. And I practice in the area of divorce and collaborative law. And I wanted to discuss the three best reasons for someone to choose the collaborative law divorce model. And it's not only the three best reasons from the client's perspective, but also from my perspective. And in getting to this conclusion with regard to these reasons, I recently had a case where it became apparent to me that the level of communication in the collaborative meetings, the support that my client in particular was receiving from the financial neutral, and the ability of the parties to communicate effectively in the process were really very important to our coming to a successful conclusion in the case. And so the three most important reasons from my perspective for collaborating in a New York divorce include the freedom that the parties have to raise any and every issue, and we actually encourage it. We encourage the parties to indicate what their interests and concerns are at the beginning of the case and throughout the case. The second most important reason is the open communication, and I can talk about that a little bit more. And the third most important reason is the team of professionals that is available to the parties during the process with the goal of teasing out the most important issues to the parties and also working toward a successful conclusion, which means a settlement of all of the issues in the parties' divorce situation. So in terms of the freedom to raise issues, it really is so important for the parties to believe and recognize as they go through the process that they really can raise the issues that are most important to them. In the case that I mentioned earlier, as we went through the process, it became apparent that there was one area where I'll say the husband was very concerned about his financial future. And as I listened more and heard more of what the client had to say, I realized that there were ways that I could use the other professionals in the case, the financial neutral in the case, to provide financial reports that really would help that person understand that in the long run, they really would be in a safe financial position 20, 25 years down the road. And so that was very important. In regard to the open communication, the ability of the parties to have confidence during the process in communicating, in raising their issues was just so critical in this particular case. And the confidence that I think each of the parties had that the attorneys would be receptive, that the neutrals in the case would be receptive to the issues that they were raising, I think was critical to our ability to work out a final settlement. And as I've said throughout this, the team, the neutrals, the financial neutral, the other neutrals, and the two attorneys were really so critical to being able to support both of these people throughout the process, make them feel that they were really being heard, allowed us to work toward a comprehensive settlement of this case. So if you're interested in the collaborative law divorce model, please feel free to contact me, Ken Novenstern, knovenstern@fbndivorcelaw.com, and I look forward to speaking with you and working with you.